This is my drawing of Dustin and Nita from Brawl Stars Stranger Things, and today I'm going to guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center page with the bottom edge of the hat. We're starting on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up the middle, across, and then bend that down towards the right. Now let's bend the hat, going out and up towards the edge of the hat brim. Let's add another curve, going up and then back down. Now I want to add a bevel from the tips, go straight up, and then we'll draw another curve. We're going to see the hat just up above the hat brim. So let's start on the left side, bend this up and then in on both sides. And I'm just going to round up the top, going up and then down. Let's add a trim along the side with two curves. And we'll add that simple logo across the top. Start from the top left, come down and back in towards the bottom. Let's flatten off the ends like an arrow. Now on the top, we're going to come across, up, and then out. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down, go up and then out. We'll add a point on the end. Let's go underneath the hat brim and draw on the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center, starting on the left, bend this up, and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw the bottom of the eye. Coming down, around, and then up. Let's go back to the center, draw the nose. We're going to curve this down and then up. Now I want to shift the mouth up towards the right side. So we start down here, then it's up and then out. Round up the mouth, go across and then up towards the left. We're going to add the teeth with a point on the right side. And just tuck that up underneath, and it'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's go back above the eyes and draw two ovals for the eyebrows, coming in and then back out. Now let's go back to the hat brim. We're going to step in, draw two curves, going out and then down towards the side of the head. Now going back to the left side, we're going to round up the head, coming down, across, and then up. Let's add some hair along the side. Start from the corner of the hat, coming around and then in. Add another curve, coming in towards the side of the head. Let's tuck the ears in behind, starting up here, curve this around, and then in underneath the head. Let's add that shadow line across the face. We're going to start in the middle, curve this up and then down. On the ends, bend this out and then down towards the bottom of the head. Now, we're going to go back to the center. Underneath the head, add a curve, coming down and up from the collar. From the edge, bend this out and then down towards the bottom of the shirt. Let's bend the shirt, going out and then up towards the side of the body. And we'll bend this up and then in towards the top. Let's add the shirt collar. From the top, angles down and out on both sides. Come in and back out to create a point. And then bend this in and then down. From the bottom corner of the shirt, we're going to step up, add another curve. Let's simplify that logo in the center of the shirt, starting with an oval. Add the eyes going down, round that out. Now we're going to add a zigzag for the teeth. Let's move down, add a curve, going up and then down, and then two lines coming down from the shirt towards that curve. Now on either side, we're going to bend the legs, going out and then down towards the heels. We're going to round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and up towards the outside. And we'll curve the foot, going up, and then bend that all the way down towards the heel, like a half circle. Let's go back up underneath the shirt. We're going to step in, bend the leg, going out, and then down towards the outside of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet with a curve. Go back up, draw two straight angle lines coming down the pockets. It's going to round out the bottom. Now let's go back up top. I'm going to stretch the arms out towards the side, starting underneath the head on the left, then it's down and then out towards the wrist on the left, and right side. And you want to curl it around the thumb, going up and then down, around with the thumb, and then bend that back up. Just point the index finger, starting from the side of the thumb, going straight out, round with the finger, and then pull that back in. And then we'll curl 2 more fingers underneath. Starting up here, draw an oval, going up underneath the thumb, draw that 1 more time. Now from the bottom finger, we're going to curve the palm coming all the way up towards the bottom of the thumb. Let's move up, add another curve, coming in, and then 1 more curve across the center of the arm for the shirt sleeve. Now with the body in place, we can go back and finish off the hair. We're going to start from the side of the ear, and this around and then in, curve this down and in behind the arms. And then we're going to add that geometric pattern across the shirt. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's going to draw Dustin and Nita from Brawl Stars Stranger Things. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.